Hello everyone, welcome to elliottwaveforecast.com YouTube channel. Today is September 7 and the chart of the day for today is the Nikkei 60 minutes time frame here. Now we can see right now the index completed wave 3 over here at the peak, and now possibly looking for a wave 4 pullback before it goes higher again. Now this is by no means bearish, so to speak, right? Because we still can actually extend higher a little bit more. Something like this is a possibility. So instead of wave 5 here, wave 5 could have ended here. So this could be wave 1 of 5, for example, and this is wave 2 of 5, right? But again, we are calling it lower because some of the other indices seems to be looking for more downside, so that's why we are calling it this way for now. But again, I think it's easily extend higher a little bit more before finishing 5 here. Okay, but anyhow, we are expecting wave 3 to complete soon. Whether or not it has completed, so far the reaction has not been that much so far, so there is a possibility still that we can see more upside before finishing 5 of 3. But if, let's say, if we can get a bit more data, a bit more sell-off, then I think the position will be more confirmed here. Now zooming out a little bit to get some ideas where we are. Now remember, this is 1 and 2 here, and now we are in the process of finishing with 3. So this is the 1 and 2. So we are talking about the rally starting from this low here, which is the 18th of August, right? We're starting from the 18th of August, rallying as an impulse, and so we got this 1, 2, and then the only question is whether 3 already ended here, which is still a little bit too premature because not really a lot of reaction yet. So in other words, we still easily extend a little bit more before finishing with 3. But if you take a look at this rally here, look at this rally here. Now that doesn't look like, it looks like we don't have a wave 4 yet, right? Because all the pullback so far has been very minimal, very shallow. So I think it makes sense, reasonable to expect we are still within the wave 3 right now. Let's take a look at the extension here. Now it is reaching the 1.618. So whether or not we make a marginal high, it doesn't matter that much because you know it is at the 1.618. It looks to be kind of losing a bit of momentum. We should be ending with 3 sooner or later, right? So for now we are calling it completed. But if it does extend a little bit higher, will not be a new bullish leg. It will just be an extension higher a little bit like this, even if it does break higher a little bit more. But sooner or later we should be expecting 3 to finish, which is at the 1.618, and then we should be getting a wave 4, right? Wave 4 should be something along this line, right? The pullback should be something like this, and it should be usually around 23.6, 38.2% retracement. So we're talking about, let's say, if I'm assuming with 3 ended here, which is possible, we are looking for something like this, 23.6, 38.2% retracement in 3 swing from the peak before we finish with 4, right? Something like this, and then go up again to finish with 5 from August 18, right? Then we can get a bigger pullback after that. But again, it looks incomplete right now, the upside or the rally, and therefore we should continue to see more upside for now, at least one more like higher to finish with 5. And even now it doesn't look like wave 4 is already done, or it's not even clear 100% whether 3 is already done. But for now, because it hit 1.618 already, we are calling wave 3 completed, and then now we could possibly see a wave 4. But remember, I mean, if it does break higher from here, that simply means that we are extending higher within wave 5 of 3. Okay, so expect a pullback soon in the Nikkei in the wave 4, sooner or later, right? And then the pullback should continue to find support. If assuming 3 already ended, again, wave 4 should be somewhere around 23.6, 38.2% retracement of the wave 3, right? So this is a potential area where wave 4 should be ending, and from here we should be looking for one more push higher to finish 5 ways up from August 18 here. All right, so that's the update here for today. As always, if you want to get more updates on the indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.